Okay, so I'm back. The good news to report is the splash well area was all complete. I got a lot of energy before this last fishing trip and was able to get this all done. So I did end up installing the channel along with the switch there, and just kind of used the existing brackets for the splash well to hold the channel up, and could actually sit on it with my weight and not seem to bend it. So it seems to be holding pretty good. I've got a lot of electrical back there. I know it's kind of hard to see. I actually ran, I've got my my trim motor assembly underneath there. I've got a couple of, I got like a positive box, I got a negative box with a bunch of grounding in it. The electrical's pretty daunting on this. So the only other thing is I was unable to find a gas tank. So I ended up getting a custom one built. Let me see if I can move this over and show you. I ended up getting a custom one built. It is really nice. I had it all hooked up, and I do have a gauge assembly up on the top there that I did have all installed when I went fishing. But the next step is, now that I've got the splash well done, or area underneath the splash well, is that I'm going to be carpeting the gunwale. So I've got my carpeting all cut up, at least in the pieces I'm getting ready to. I've got a little fabrication to do up there with the aluminum trim, and I'm going to go ahead and start. Probably the only issue I have going on now is the trolling motor I bought was a Terranova 80-pound thrust. It's very heavy. The extra weight I was not anticipating on the bow. As a matter of fact, I didn't even think about it. So with the batteries, all the batteries being up front, the boat doesn't plane quite as fast as I'd like it to, but when I'm by myself it's fine. But if I have three people on it, it actually planes a little slower. I might just get my prop adjusted. I'm not sure yet. I really don't want to rewire this. This was quite a bit of work wiring. So, and I'll go around the other side and show you how I have my electrical all set up for a tiller. Sorry, got to bend around a little bit here. So I've got my Ethernet cable going up to the front, which I need to button up, but I'll try to zoom in here. I've got a switch and a circuit breaker panel right there. I do need to somehow waterproof that. I've got my trim switch set up. A little difficult managing the trim from the back when I'm putting on my transom saver when I'm getting the boat up, but other than that it's fine. And I would not mind, or would like to eventually convert that to a 2-button trim switch instead of the 3. So off to the carpeting. I'll go ahead and post this and have another one here, hopefully maybe even by the end of the day.